Let's start with a quote by Dr. Hardiman on Brain Target 5, application. When students extend knowledge by applying it in real-world settings, they engage multiple and complex systems of retrieval and integration. With Target 5, we are seeking to strengthen and extend thinking and learning by applying skills and content in meaningful, creative, problem-solving tasks. This next activity is called Ready, Setting, Go! To help students better understand the influential role of setting in a text, Wit and Wisdom expresses that in these module texts, the setting acts almost as a character in itself. When students write their own narratives, they will be better able to engage with the setting and make it a vital part of their own story. The game version of this activity can be used as a content-aligned warm-up or brain break whenever needed. The setting as a character analysis prompt can be used in any lesson where setting is analyzed and is highly recommended during the planning process of the student's end of module task. The techniques used in this activity are charades and visualization. There are a couple of ways that you can use these techniques. First, cut out the printable charades cards in the pack and sort them into 2 buckets or containers accordingly. Set A contains different settings, and set B contains various verbs. Additionally, you can make copies of the blank cards for students to add their own settings and verb ideas. Next, divide the class into teams or call students to the buckets one at a time. The student player selects 1 card from each set, then silently acts out the verb in the context of the setting. For example, let's say I, as a student, select a card that reads "Scorching hot desert with sandstorm winds" from set A, and another from set B that reads "Walking." I might act this out by walking slowly and pretending to struggle as I move against the intense heat of the desert. Whew. Next, set a timer for 1 minute. As the student acts, the rest of the class or the student's team must guess the setting. The second option for this activity is using the setting as character analysis prompts. When analyzing the setting of a given text, ask students, how is the setting contributing to what is happening right now in the text? What text evidence of this do you see? If the setting had an emotion right now, how would you describe what it is feeling? What kind of facial expressions would it make? As an extension, students can work in small groups to form a tableau depicting how the setting is feeling in a given scene.